Think they'll fly away?
He's closer.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ah. Grab it, dog. Did you
Trying to get
open it? I was gonna fly out. You're gonna kill him, dog. Sure.
Get
I
up.
can't read.
Get the green one.
Alright. They can come over here. Dude, if my hand's vulnerable. I just want to get the yellow one. I get the yellow one like really. Wait, hold on, I got the yellow one. Whoa! Oh, shit, I got it.
What the fuck?
Damn.
Squeeze the shit out of him.
He's dead.
He's
No
not
more.
dead.
He's dead. He's dead.
He's right there.
You
He's
killed
got
him.
food.
Oh, a cool guy. He's a cool guy.
He got spooked.
He got spooked.
I didn't say that.
You killed him.
He's alive.
You think they'll land on my hand? Why'd you leave it like that?
Yeah, leave him alone, fool. They're gonna get a hard time.
Ah. Dude, I want a bird except the bitches. They don't let me pet them.